I am honored to be a guest in your beautiful kingdom.
What perfect manners.
To gather snow? Not just any snow, but I'm a princess. And this whole thing doesn't seem very princessy.
Well, princess, it's pretty cold up in Glacier Hills. You'd better put this on.
Bianca Sparkle Dust!
Sorry. Wait, you named your tiara?
Of course I did. If you had a one-of-a-kind, unbreakable lightning glass tiara, you'd understand. I have a tiara at home. If we wear them when we serve snow cones together, we'll be like twins. Me serve snow cones? You must be joking.
Eh,
Oh, fish.
baka naunan to. Malaking bato.
Ah, bato.
Ayun doon, no? Ayun.
Oh, takot ako. This way kasi.
Papunta mo dito sa mama.
Ha?
Tawagin mo.
Ma!
Up ka kasi doon.
Saan na yun? Mama. Hello. Nasa yung cellphone dahil. Time to make some passes.
Dito ka, babe.
Nagawa lang ako kasi.
Dito ka, babe. Dito tayo dito.